Hi, and welcome to Lema Dental Clinic. Have you noticed a black spot or stain on your tooth? Let's talk about what it could be and what you should do. A black stain on the tooth can come from different causes. Surface stains from coffee, tea, smoking, or certain foods. Tartar buildup that has hardened and turned dark. Tooth decay or a cavity that's beginning to show, or even a crack or filling breakdown that lets bacteria in. Not all dark spots are severe or serious, but some can mean there's damage under the surface. Please don't try to scrape or bleach the stain yourself. You could damage your enamel or make the problem worse. It's best to let a dental professional examine it first. At Lema Dental Clinic, we examine the spot closely. If it's just a surface stain, a professional cleaning can usually remove it in minutes. If there is a cavity, we'll treat it with a small filling, quick, painless, and effective. In some cases, we may take an X-ray to be sure there's no deeper issue. A black stain on your tooth doesn't always mean trouble, but it does need attention. The earlier we check it, the simpler the solution. Your smile deserves to be clean, healthy, and confident. See a stain on your teeth? Don't worry. Book your visit with Lema Dental Clinic today. Let's keep your smile bright and worry-free.